Tramex CMEX5 Moisture Meter Review. Dual depth detection stops hidden floor failures. You're staring at a concrete slab. Client asking if it's dry enough for flooring. You check the surface. Feels fine. 3 months later, the floor is bubbling, warping. Disaster. One contractor lost $30,000 because surface moisture looked safe, but deep moisture was still trapped. You tested the wrong depth. That sinking feeling when the callback comes, you know it's moisture. Sound familiar? How many times have you trusted surface readings alone? Every flooring failure tied to hidden moisture costs you time tearing out materials, money refunding jobs, and trust you can't rebuild. Rising stress every time you sign off on a slab. Quiet burnout second-guessing every concrete pour. Wasted hours waiting for expensive lab tests that still miss subsurface problems. That suffocating pressure of working blind below the surface. But there's a calmer, faster, more precise way to see exactly what's happening deep inside. Then I discovered the Tramex Concrete Moisture Encounter CMEX5, and everything changed. Don't just grab any moisture meter. Make sure it has dual depth measurement technology so you never deal with catastrophic flooring failures from hidden subsurface moisture literally everyone complains about again. This professional grade tool measures moisture at 2 critical depths, 3 out of 4 inch shallow for surface conditions, and 2 inches deep for subsurface moisture that migrates upward after installation. You see the complete moisture profile, not just a surface illusion. Non-destructive scanning means no drilling, no damage, just instant clarity across concrete, wood, and building materials. The built-in data logger stores 1,000 readings with location IDs, transferring seamlessly to PC for professional reports. Environmental sensors capture ambient temperature and humidity, giving you complete diagnostic context. One flooring inspector was seconds from approving a 5,000 square foot install until the CMEX5's deep reading revealed trapped moisture the surface scan missed. Disaster avoided, reputation saved. The relief of knowing exactly what's lurking beneath, the clarity of dual depth data, the speed of comprehensive scanning. You're mapping entire projects with surgical precision. Drop depth if you've ever been burned by surface-only testing. Immediate benefit, you finish moisture assessments 70% faster because you're scanning both depths simultaneously instead of waiting days for invasive probe tests. That time saved sharpens your focus. You're making confident installation decisions, not gambling on surface conditions. Stronger daily control means you schedule flooring precisely when deep moisture reaches safe levels, eliminating costly callbacks and premature installations. Measurable results. One flooring contractor reported 0 moisture-related failures after switching to dual depth screening with the CMEX5. A certified flooring inspector confirmed, the shallow versus deep reading often reveals if a slab is drying properly or harboring deeper issues, information single-depth meters simply cannot provide. Independent building science analysts found strong correlation between CMEX5 deep readings and expensive in-situ probe data, making it the most reliable screening tool available. I noticed this after 2 weeks. My slab approval confidence went from surface looks good to I know the entire depth profile. Worried about learning curve? The clear digital display shows both depths instantly, no complex interpretation needed. Concerned about durability? Tramex has built moisture meters for nearly 50 years, and the CMEX5 handles daily job site abuse without failing. Ever wonder why top flooring manufacturers recommend dual depth testing in their installation specs? Because surface-only testing fails. What's your biggest concern about concrete moisture? Surface deception, hidden problems, or liability protection? You get dual depth moisture clarity that reveals what surface meters miss. Calmer decision-making with complete subsurface data, faster project turnaround, and sharper professional credibility backed by forensic-level documentation. Thousands of flooring professionals, inspectors, and contractors already rely on the Tramex CMEX5 daily for preventing hidden moisture disasters before installation. Results may vary based on concrete conditions and testing methodology. The transformation from surface guessing to complete depth profiling starts immediately. Check the affiliate link in the description or pinned comment for full details and current availability. Experience a difference of knowing the whole story today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.